Good morning, biscuits. This is a pot of flour I have to put out in the yard, but my local store here will sell all of the really good flowers super early before you're actually able to put them outside. So I have to keep them indoors in my little greenhouse makeshift bookcase. How is your day starting off? Are you going, oh, it's luscious, it's fabulous, thank you for asking us. I, as you can hear in my voice, have been sick for, now we're at more than a week solid. So sorry, biscuits, if that is why you have not seen a lot of videos from me this week. Either here or on Instagram, because I've put all my work into editing a project for the fans page and for getting my April Patreon video started. That was like all the energy I could muster. Oh my, I think it's just been really bad allergies that triggered a really funky asthma attack. I'm sure you followed the stories along on Instagram. You saw me in that silly mask. But maybe it was a cold and allergies. I don't even know. Now Abraham's down with it. Pear's fighting off. Well, he's down with something else. Pear's fighting something. So it's gonna be an interesting day. But it is sunny out, in case you can't see through the window. And I think we're gonna do a little bit of very gentle gardening, just getting a few seeds in the ground. I'm not gonna try to mow the lawn or anything, which had been my plan. I really need to, but I'm gonna give myself another day of recovery before that. I am going to, sorry to beat a broken drum, but I'm gonna clean my kitchen again. My dishwasher broke! Oh my God. You ever just feel like you're just trying to save up to fix one thing around the house, right? That's what I was doing. I was like, okay, this is the month. I'm gonna get this thing fixed. It's been broken since December because I know it's gonna be expensive. And then my dishwasher just won't turn on. Will you please tell me in the comments, do you have any recommendations for a, because it's like a 7-year-old, 6-year-old, yes, because it's like a 6-year-old LG dishwasher. If it just, like, there's a wire loose, something, it's like not always turning on every time. What causes that? My experience with LG is when they hit the 5 to 7 year, they just break, and doesn't matter if they still have warranty, the company does not hold the warranty. So I think somebody has to buy a new dishwasher. Oh my God. But I kind of wanted to cry a little bit this morning because I was like, oh my God, not that too. I didn't even want to have the brain power to try and research a new dishwasher, right? I just wanted to put my brain towards getting the farm planted for all the flowers for the flower stand, getting everything ready there to launch camping. We were supposed to be open now, right now, but everything's way too muddy and we're behind on a couple stuff. But do we have some big news on the well? And the ability to have hot showers and a hot tub at the farm for guests. Different video. I'm trying really hard not to give you biscuits my really disgusting hat cough on camera. It is such an accomplishment that, oh look, is that my new book available in print right now for you? You can go to the link in the description and grab it. Biscuits, you're so smart. Getting my books done are such a triumph of effort and teamwork, because you gotta like poke me with a stick to make sure I finish writing it. You do like every day, like, hey Rose, is that chapter done? Is that paragraph done? Did you rewrite that section for clarity? Because my brain will just half write something, but like, it's done, right? Yeah, it's fine. Not at all the case. Small people are doing their chores. But I thought, even though I feel like crud, I'll put on my sweatshirt. Well, it's actually pretty nice out. And get a little bit of stretching done, because I was sitting getting some work done on my computer and I thought, I really need to, I'm stretching now actually as we talk, just get a little simple movement. So one of my goals, I did a checklist on Patreon. In fact, if you don't want to be on it, I don't know what that's doing, all the time, sometimes I'll post a few of my posts just for sale on Patreon. And this checklist, I'm pretty sure, I'm like 90% sure I posted there. You can buy it for a couple bucks. And it is a really simple checklist. It is a daily checklist. You need to add these things in. And one of them is exercise. I was talking with some of the Manifesto Mamas on there, which is a tier on there. And I was reminded, I was like, boy, I really, because I haven't been feeling well, really haven't moved my body. And I'm obviously not going to do any like running. My legs don't feel up for that, but like I can stretch. I can work on, I have one spot in my hips that a physical therapist has told me I need to work on the muscle there. So I'm developing that before I can do any more like weight things or anything, because it's got to tighten up those muscles so that I don't pop out of joint. I definitely feel like this is my maximum amount of exercise. Like when I go garden later, I'm gonna sit because I haven't done any cardio whatsoever. I'm out of breath for like 5 squats or something. Although I will say when I started this, I couldn't do 4 of, let's see, how do we do them? I couldn't even do that without falling over. Like I couldn't even do them. So, tiny progress. Eventually, I will get to like 3 reps of 20 on there. It'll be like nothing. But for whatever reason, that muscle has just been really funky. So, physical therapist appointment's done. Now I know what to work on so that I can get strength where I need to then kind of do just more general workouts. They're so mad I'm making them pick up like plant bag trash in the yard and stuff that I've been asking for weeks. I even put it in a bag for them, and then none of them would take it to the trash can, which is right over there. And so it blew out in a wind storm. So they're so mad that I'm making they're just wandering around super grumpy that I would dare make them do chores. Okay, I'm glad I moved my body. I am shocked at myself that I'm taking a break already. But I can feel that my lungs are just up for so little. I'm probably gonna have to take my albuterol, which is my asthma inhaler, again today, which I don't want to, but I can feel that yesterday I overdid it with stuff that we had to get done, and my legs are paying for it today. Good job, guys. Now take also the white trash bags. Make sure those are empty. Mm-hmm.
Hair also won't help.
No chocolate then.
He doesn't wish it.
Okay. Taking it in then. Abraham is helping you. Oh my gosh, you know, being a mom is not easy because you can't be their friend. Even if you want to be, you just can't be their friend. Don't look at my messy house. Pretend it's clean and supple and fabulous and wonderful, but it is what it is today. Glad to at least start working on my muscles, but man, my lungs are in such bad shape. I know this happens like every spring, and I think maybe this summer I'm going to start allergy shots again. I did allergy shots for a long time, and they really honestly didn't do much, but I'm at a place where like I don't know what else to do because I've tried everything else, natural and antihistamine, over-the-counter stuff. So I don't know what else will fix it other than maybe going to an allergy specialist and seeing. I can't take the really heavy antihistamines because they make me go to sleep, and obviously with kids around I can't be like drowsy, so I've just got to figure that out. But I want some sunshine. I do not want to put on sunblock today. Can I just put my feet in the sun and shade my head? Oh my goodness. Okay, they are finished with their chores. I'm gonna start thinking about a picnic and some tea because I'm so thirsty.
I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, man, I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb. A new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. Coming up on the horizon, I lose track of time. Yeah, I move fast and climb. A new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
I have figured out what to feed us all. I've been sick for over a week, like I said, and when I say the house is a mess, I'm not even going to show you. That's how embarrassed I am of how messy it is. I got up this morning, still not feeling great. Really trying not to get pneumonia again, like I did last March, April. Oops, rope's coming in. And I got a whole load of dishes in the dishwasher, and that's when I discovered the dishwasher is not turning on. So we're going to see how much cleaning I get done. But at the very least, I'm going to have clean counters and I'm going to have a clean dining table. Made bread for moi. Wait. I knew it. I made homemade bread yesterday. And I forgot. I thought there was something I was supposed to come back out to this evening. Yes. I made some homemade cinnamon bread for the kids. And then we all were just so totally kerputtered. Listen, okay, ADHD in moms is a real thing. I am only now learning of it through Abraham's therapies. And I'm like, man, yeah, I don't know. Are any of you moms medicated for ADHD? I don't really want to medicate myself for it. But on the other hand, I have always had infamous rose focus, which is not the best. And I do think it affects my quality of life. I don't know. I don't know if there's like something natural I can do. I've always tried to harness my attention issues by just doing a bunch of stuff. Like that's why I work in so many different fields. But maybe I need to work on my focus more. Okay, come along. This was a long chatty poo, but I miss you biscuits because I haven't seen you. And we'll probably go on a picnic, even if it's just on my living room.